Exercise 2.2, question number 7. Determine whether commutative property with respect to multiplication hold in each of the following cases or not. A is a matrix having elements P, Q minus Q, P. B is another matrix having element S, T minus T and S. The order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. The order of this matrix is also equal to 2 cross 2. First we have to multiply A with B. A is this matrix and B is this matrix. The condition for the multiplication hold, that is the column of the first is equal to the rows of the second. Multiply the first row with first column, the first row with second column, the second row with first column. Substitute that quantity in the second row first column. Multiply second row with second column. Substitute that quantity with the second row and second column of the resultant matrix. This is the resultant matrix AB. Now calculate BA. B is this one matrix and A is this one matrix. The condition for the multiplication is of B with A is hold. That is the column of the first is equal to the rows of the second. Multiply the first row with first column. Substitute that resultant quantity in the first row in first column. Multiply first row with second column. And substitute the quantity in the first row and second column. Multiply the second row with first column. Substitute that quantity in the first row and second column. Multiply second row with second column. Substitute that quantity in the second row and second column. This is the resultant matrix having order 2 cross 2. The order of AB and BA are the same. That is, both our matrices are 2 cross 2 matrices. Now, to check the corresponding elements, the element in the first row and first column is equal to the element in the first row and second column. The element in the second row and first column is equal to the element in the second row and first column. The corresponding elements are the same. So from equation number first and second, this is your equation number first and this is your equation number second. AB is equal to BA. In this case, the commutative property hold, but in general, it is not necessary that commutative property with respect to multiplication hold in matrices. A is in case of the second part of this question. A is a matrix having elements having order 2 cross 3 and B is another matrix having order 3 cross 2. First we have to multiply A with B. A is this matrix and B is this matrix. The condition for the multiplication hold. Multiply the first row with first column, first row with second column, second row with first column, second row with second column. After the simplification we get 3 plus 3 plus 4, 6 plus 1 plus 6, 2 plus 3 plus 6, 4 plus 1 plus 9. After the simplification we get 13, 13, 11 and 11. 11 and 14. The order of this resultant matrix is 2 cross 2. Now calculate BA. B is this matrix and A is this matrix. Now the condition for multiplication hold, that is the column of the first is equal to the rows of the second. Multiply the first row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column, second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with third column, third row with first column, third row with second column, third row with third column, and substitute the elements in the corresponding rows and corresponding columns. After the simplification we get 17, 3, 8, 11, 4.